Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact of today the price made a very nice move. I mean, sure, it pulled back a little bit, but when you consider that not that long ago the price was flirting with that 65-cent support, and now all of a sudden the price is back up there, you know, there's no doubt about it. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a nice move, but that brings up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And in my mind, the easiest way to answer that question is just to keep an eye right here at 68 cents. Why is 68 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 68. If the price, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to 68 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was within that range. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 68 cents. What about levels of resistance going into next week? Big overarching level of resistance to watch if this, bounce and then, breakout move can continue is going to be that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average. You can see that's already rejected the price right there. So that'll be the overarching area, like I said, going forward, public enemy number one. All in all, though, any way you look at it, a very nice bounce off of that 65-cent support level. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this bounce, build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.